Hello guys, today I'm going to show the installation process of Docker engine on CentOS. Our system is a CentOS 7 operating system, and we just follow the official documentation and run the commands. First, we will remove all the old version of Docker. Then we will remove the Docker images or containers, all the old template files and the old version of Docker folders. This process can be very long, depends on the files and your system speed. I think we can take a cup of coffee. Now we can see the delete is over, and we can go on the process. The next process, we will install the YAM utils and configure the repo URL for the Docker. Next, we can start the Docker installation. We just select the latest installation of Docker. The latest version is 23. This process depends on your network speed, and we just need to wait. We just skip the middle process, and now the installation has finished. It's near finished. The installation is finished, and we will test the installation. Before the testing, I think we should start the Docker service by the systemctl command. Then we will run the hello world Docker command. We run the hello world Docker. It's a hello world image. You can see the print information. It reads unable to find the image hello world latest locally. This means we need to pull the Docker image from the Docker hub. Next, we will install the GPU Docker under the NVIDIA documentation about the installation process. We will go under the CentOS instructions too. Now let's start the installation of the GPU Docker under the instructions of NVIDIA. The first thing is the installation of Docker 2. As we have just installed the Docker, so the first section can be skipped. Now let's test our installation for sure. We can see the instructions are as same as the instruction of Docker as we just did. And we will skip this section and we go to the installation of GPU Docker directly. Yeah, we got a Hello World Docker test too. The YAM install need to be configured by the GPG edit. And now we clean the cache of the YAM installation history, and we follow these directions. Our system is a CentOS 7 system. Well, this installation can be very boring, so we just skip the middle process of the waiting. And the GPU Docker has been finished installed too. And the last thing is also the testing of the installation. The Docker needs to be restarted, and we will put down a NVIDIA Docker, which Docker run Docker run the GPU with all the GPUs on the NVIDIA CUDA Docker, which tagged as 11.6 and 2, which is the CUDA version, and the Ubuntu 20 system. These instructions will remove immediately after the command completed. And we just start a Ubuntu system under our CentOS system, and this Ubuntu system can access all the devices of our CentOS system, and also include the most important thing, all the GPUs, which is my favorite, because I just don't use Ubuntu directly, because I found the GPUs will be lost every time when I restart the system. Nearly every time. I'm not very sure about the reasons, but is some connection with the drivers of Ubuntu, and this issue has never happened on the CentOS system, so I have turned to CentOS from a long time before. And to use Ubuntu, I always start a Ubuntu Docker with GPU. So we can see the downloading is going to finish. This Docker is pulled from the Docker Hub too. And after finish, it will access the system NVIDIA SMI and print all the GPU information. Yeah, we can see the printings. This is from a Docker, and now the installation is success. We are done. Thank you.